A great reading resource that I use in my classroom and would like to introduce to you today is RazKids. RazKids provides comprehensive leveled reading resources for students. With hundreds of ebooks offered at 29 levels of reading difficulties, it's easy to put the right content into every student's hands. Kids access their leveled text through an interactive learning portal that is designed to keep them motivated and engaged. Every ebook is available online and in mobile format and allows students to listen to, read at their own pace, and record themselves reading. Students then take a corresponding e-quiz complete with an extended answer response to test comprehension and determine future instruction needs. Once a student has read 10 or more ebooks and passed each corresponding e-quiz, they advance to the next reading level where they have access to lengthier and more difficult texts. With that introduction to RazKids, I would now like to show you how to navigate the program. I'm first going to log in as a student. They'll go to this button and press it. They will find their teacher's name as well as their own name, and then they will click on their password. Younger students are given a picture password to make it easier for them to remember. Press go, and they are taken to this screen where they can locate their stats. They can see how many stars they've earned all time. They can see how many stars they have to spend at this star zone, where they can build a robot and access different items they can buy, like hats, beards, mustaches for their robot. If they go back to the home button and click on level up, this is where all of the ebooks are located. The green icons mean that they have completed each section. They have listened to the book, they have read the book on their own, and they have taken the quiz. Any icons in blue mean that they still need to listen, read, and answer the questions for themselves. And again, each time they do each one, they are able to earn stars where they can go to the star zone and spend the stars. I'm going to go ahead and click on a book. Students are able to listen to the book. When they've completed that, they're able to read the book on their own, pressing next when they're done with the page, and then they're able to take a quiz, and it's a multiple choice quiz. As you can see, RazKids allows students to practice active reading strategies, and there's plenty of incentives to keep them engaged and motivated.